Want to learn how to download Windows 10 for free from Microsoft without the help of a professional or a technician? Well then, stick around. For this demonstration, I'll be using Microsoft Edge as my default web browser. So open up Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. In this case, I'll be using Microsoft Edge. Under the search bar, type in download Windows 10. Click on the link that shows download Windows 10-microsoft.com. This will open up the Microsoft website. Scroll down to where you can see download tool now. Press on download tool now. This will download the media creation tool, and this is the tool that we're going to use to create the ISO for the Windows 10 image. Press on the show in folder button. Open the media creation tool by pressing enter. Give it a few seconds to load up. As soon as it's open, you will have to go through some terms and conditions and then some options for you to accept to configure your ISO image, so stick around. Alright guys, well that took some time to load, but thanks to media editing tools, we were able to fast forward the time. So press on accept. Give it a few minutes again. Be patient with the software as it needs to gather certain information to configure your ISO for you. After the screen is done with loading, choose the option Create Installation Media. Reason for that, we want to create an ISO image that we can always use whenever we want to change a system from either Windows 8.1 or Windows 8 or Windows 7, and then we want to upgrade to Windows 10. This is the page for you to use to change certain options in terms of the language or the edition of Windows or the architecture. By default, Microsoft recommends these settings, but if you want to change them, uncheck this button, then choose whatever preferred language that you want. I'm okay with the default, and then it's only Windows 10 under the edition. If you have a 32-bit system, then you have to click on 32-bit x86, or else leave it as 64-bit, or rather use the recommended option for this PC. So click on next. We want to select the ISO file, not the USB flash drive. So click on ISO to create the ISO image. Click on next. Now we just need to rename our ISO to a preferred name. In this case, I want Windows 10. So let me just add the 10, and then I just want to download this Windows 10 ISO image into a folder called operating systems. So I'm just going to create a new folder and then just write OS file. This will be my operating system file. So if I double click it, open it, and then save, my Windows 10 ISO image will be saved under downloads under the OS file. Click on save. After clicking on save, you will see the downloading Windows 10 page, and this is where the process of downloading the whole system takes place. So I'm not gonna bore you with the waiting time, so I'll be back as soon as this is done. Alright guys, as soon as the download is complete, it will show you the page verifying your download. Just give it a few minutes or so for it to verify and create Windows 10 media for you. Alrighty guys, that took some time to download, but now it's all finished. So click on the button Finish. After pressing Finish guys, to verify your file, click on the OS file that we created. We should find our Windows 10 ISO image in there. There we go, Windows 10 ISO. And then guys, that's how you can obtain a free Windows 10 ISO image from Microsoft itself without the help of a professional or a technician. Thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one.